right, this is it. These are the last three things in the apartment. Everything is pretty much out. This was our bedroom, and everything is gone. And this was baby girl's bedroom, and everything is gone. All right. Final, see you later. Peace.
All I know is we had good times all through the day. Into this day, we started a journey.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 2 of the moving vlog. I wanted to come back and show you guys how far we've gotten with setting everything up. It's not perfect. This is real and raw, okay? It's not perfect, but so far so good. I'm liking how we have everything set up for the most part, but there are a few things that I still want to get. Just like decorations and things like that. As far as the backyard, I still have some new seating things that I want to get, but we're going to take our time because I'm ready to let's just get it and have it set. But, the man wants to wait a little bit. So I'm going to wait a little bit, but we'll see. Yeah, welcome to part 2 and look at what we've got going on so far. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, you see the living room area. Here's my little mini standing desk that I use. Right now, I don't have a chair for it. I've just been sitting at the couch for when I work. Don't mind my Crocs. And this is a rug that I had from my very first apartment when I lived in Jersey. If you have not seen that video, I will link that in the description box. You can go and check that out to see how far we've come. Well, I guess I've come because the Jersey apartment was my apartment, but yeah. So this is the couch setup. If you watched part 1, you would have known that the original plan was to push this all the way back to the wall. But this section of the couch it just comes out a little too much because of the heating thing right here. So it blocks the refrigerator freezer area. So I can't push it all the way back, which is fine because we actually have storage, I guess you could say, back there behind the couch and kind of out of the way for things that don't really have a spot. Here's my little picture from my last apartment. And again, this is the couch setup. So this is what the living room space looks like from here. Okay. And then right over here to the right of the door, we have the TV setup. So I have my little plants. Again, I love these. He doesn't really care for those, but I love them. TV stand, game systems. Then I have my little candle over there, and then some storage in the drawers as well. Then when you turn to the side of the couch, we have our refrigerator. I built these 2 bar stools. So I did that myself. Shout outs to me. Then we have the kitchen area. I just actually purchased this garbage yesterday from Walmart. Then we have our setup. So the rice, sugar, and flour. Both those. I think I got these from Target. And then I just printed out the labels and just labeled them myself. My air fryer, knives, and things like that. And then on the other side, obviously, again, we have the island. Now, on the side of the TV, we have my big IKEA mirror, which I love. Hello, hola, what's that? My big IKEA mirror. And then we have our bench for our shoes. Now, this closet here I bought from IKEA. We put it together, and then I just stuck one of the mirrors that I had from our last apartment on the side of it, just to give it a little more pizzazz, if you will. We got this closet because the closet that we have already in the living room, which is right here, stores the washer and dryer. So it's not really obviously room to hang like coats and jackets and stuff. So that's that. And then over here in the bathroom, we got that set up. So this is what the bathroom area is looking like. This is the little vanity mirror. And then we have just our regular little, you know, things, our toothbrushes, some body wash, which we also have a lot of body wash over here, obviously. 2 different Listerines. So my daughter uses the regular one, and I use the one that's alcohol free. That's better for me. And then you come around, and I have these from the last apartment. So here in this basket, I use like, you know, for like feminine products. You know, it's 2 females that live in here, obviously. And then here we have a lot of tissues. Then we have this speaker. I'll probably lift this and just have it just coming straight across the wall, and then just like right over here, I'll probably like wrap that around just to make it look a little more appealing. But yeah, this is the setup over here. Then you have little tissues and little like face rags that we use and things of that matter. So that's the bathroom area. Now, when you come to our bedroom, it is not complete, people, but this is what it's looking like for now. Okay, so here I have my sneakers, we have our dresser and the TV. So this side over here is my side, that side over there is the man's side. I bought some storage bins from IKEA, and just like little miscellaneous things are in those, and we just push them down there. And then you see the man's little hamper thing. We have the closet set up, and then this right here is my little space. So because we don't have both of our dressers, because we didn't have that much space before, I use this side of our dresser, and then he uses this side. And I have this little I guess like a dresser-ish kind of thing that I bought from Amazon. And then I just keep like my leggings and my basketball shorts and things like that in there. Then, you know, my little hair scrunchies and my little jewelry box thing here. And I just put another one of the mirrors that we had in the last apartment, just like on it, just to kind of give it like a little, you know, cutesy kind of look, if you will. Okay. And I just love the view from our room to like the living room. I just love it. It's a vibe. So yeah, that's the bed area. And then, so we need to get another blind here. The thing is, right, everywhere we go and everywhere we look, they have the blinds without the cords, like without the pull cords and without the little twist stick, you know, to let you open and close them. I hate the ones where you manually have to pull up with your hand and pull down, because those always break on me. So right now we do not have any blinds in this area. But yeah, there's like a pretty much straight view directly to the backyard right now. And yeah, so this actually did not look like this. It was leaves and everything, just really, really messy. So I actually cleaned that out, and I'm going to insert that video so you can see that process, because yes, it was a process.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they ball when I'm thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do ya, do ya? Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spark